What's up guys? So Nate here, and we're going to do a little bit of live setup. I know we did a PPE test with a watch before, but now I want to do it with a wallet case because I'm a lot better with selling wallet cases than I am watches. We just started getting watches now, so I'm not an expert at those. By the time you're watching this, they will be available in the app for sale, and I know they will sell well. You just got to get that good design for that. So what I'm going to show you now is how to actually sell a wallet case with some free designs that we actually have given away already. So let me show you that after I take a sip. Okay, so what we have here is we have our membership site, right, for our app, and go down there. We got a section called free designs, right? So you open that, click on wallet case. I want some free designs for wallet case. You will see, we got all of these. I think there's 105 or 106 of them now, all different niches. But what I did was I grabbed 4 of them that are related to farmer niche. So I like the farmer niche, it's a good niche. Here's one, right? This is how I roll. So I downloaded that. This one is Rise and Shine Mother Cluckers. I downloaded that. Moo. I downloaded this one, and Happiness. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy cows, etc. So I downloaded all 3 of those, or all 4 of those. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up Photoshop, and I'm gonna use this template right here. This template is, I think, 1,000 pixels or something. Yeah, it's 1,000 pixels. And so I'm just gonna go to my double click layer, and we're gonna make some ad images real quick. So let's turn off this stuff, and let's go to our cow lover. So let's drag that on top. Okay, so let's save that. Press place, it's going. All right, there we go. So now we have an ad image. I'm gonna export this, save for legacy web, it's JPEG. Yeah, high is fine. So I'm gonna go FB1, or I can go FB add 1, okay. And then double click again. And let's drag the next design on there. So basically we're just making some ad images now for our 4 designs because we don't need to set these up on our store. We don't need to set these up anywhere except for an ad image and a PPE. So that we got the next one, and let's continue on. So you're probably wondering, aren't these designs, you know, saturated? Haven't everybody tried these already? Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. I know my design team, I have a couple girls, or I have one guy and a couple girls that they make these for me. So I know I have sold into the farmer niche before. We're gonna test these out and see what kind of numbers we get on PPE, because these are the ones we made for just to give away for free. And so I'm not sure why that worked like that. I know the image is the correct size. I'm not sure why it didn't just drop into place, but that's fine. It looks fine. So let's save that. Saving, updating. Yeah, so we just gave these designs away, and yeah, we haven't actually tested them. So I don't know. We'll see how they work. So save for legacy web, JPEG high, FB add 3. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna set these up PPE. We're gonna test, see what kind of numbers we get. Hopefully we get something that's got good numbers. We'll set it up on WC. I think it's because it's a TIFF, and TIFFs don't snap into place. Close enough, close enough. So I'm gonna place that, then we're gonna save it, update it. So now we got 4 ad images. File, export, save. Okay, so that looks cool. Now, what I'm going to do is, we're gonna go to Ads Manager. Let's get this set up on PPE right away. So we're gonna call this campaign 1, PPE, farmer, ad 1, engagement, post engagement, ad set 1, ad set, ad 1. Yeah, it seems really slow right now. So guys, I'm back. I don't know if that actually sped anything up. I just refreshed the browser. Are you close? Your have been saved to drafts automatically but aren't published yet. Click publish. Yeah, I don't want to publish. I want to go to ad set 2. I want to set up my ads now. So I don't actually have any of the research here. I'm just going to do the research on the fly. You can see this in real time. I'm going to choose my page. Okay, so now you know my page. This is the page that we had for our beta store. Let's create a design. So we're going to choose Facebook ad 1. Facebook ad 1. And you want, so ask the question. We should put some emojis. Emoji Facebook. I should have all this saved, but I don't. I don't have any of it saved on my I'll be honest, I don't set these up. My staff sets this stuff up. I haven't set up ads in so long. They have everything saved in templates and formats, and they can set these up way faster than I can now. Let's get a star, something sweet looking. I do a lightning bolt or a star. This is a star. Where's a lightning bolt? You get a lightning bolt. So if I don't see it in 5 seconds, we're choosing the star. Okay, star it is. Copy. Okay, do you like one? And then I'm gonna put the, so it doesn't even matter. Like I'm telling you, like I don't even have, like in the other video I told you to make the link, the redirect link, but I don't even have it. Like, right? I haven't even set this up. Maybe I'll set it up after the video or whatever, but I'm not gonna take the time. So this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy all this. Because we're not setting this up in the store, I'm using the same link for all 4 images, okay? So I'm just gonna copy this and then your Instagram, but don't worry about the Instagram thing. We're gonna go edit the ad set in here in a second. Yeah, I know, close. They give you stupid warnings. So, okay, so let's see if we can get like, I don't know. If you notice the way that I do this, you set up the shell first, then you start with the ad, then you do the ad sets, and then you duplicate everything because it's already set up. So you do it in reverse order, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna set the PPE test at like 350, okay? You can do $5, $350, whatever you want. I'm gonna just do it tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. This is what I tell you to do. Here, USA, right? United States. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna target women only on farmers. And I'm gonna change my placements, mobile only. And we are going to get rid of everything. Get rid of everything. So this is all gone, suggested. Get rid of everything except for feeds. That's what you want. We want feeds on mobile only. This you leave alone. This post page engagement, this is okay. Make sure this is unchecked. This is okay. This is okay. So now we're gonna go do some targeting farmers. Dairy farmers. For sure, I'm gonna do dairy farmers, but I think it's too small. This looks that looks even smaller than normal. Maybe it's dairy farming. Farm and dairy. Dairy cattle. Dairy farmer. You don't want to do job titles. Dairy farmers of America. Dairy herd management. Milk. I guess you could do milking, but that doesn't seem very. World Dairy Expo. Cattle. We can do something with cattle, but Jersey farm manager. So I'm gonna leave it like this. And no, it's not close to 500, which I say, but I'm gonna leave it like this. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to pause the video. I'm just gonna do research a little bit better because I'm not seeing anything. So I want to make sure that I get the correct stuff. All right, guys, so I'm back and let me show you what we got here. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ad sets. Let me show you. So this is the one that you were here for, dairy, all these dairy, and you probably can choose a couple more. I'll probably put that, Cosmopolitan Dairy Magazine, and I'll just put milking in there too, because I think automatic milking too, I'll put that in there. But, so we're at like 350, okay, that's fine. So let me show you the other one. So the next one, and I should name these, but I'm not gonna name them. Let's show you the next one. Open it up, and I got beef cattle, so a little bit different, not dairy cattle, not beef cattle, and a couple companies about beef cattle, Jersey cattle. Oh, I guess this one's in the other one already, so we'll get rid of that. But you can see the audience size about 300,000. Let's look at the next one. And Angus cattle and cattle feeding is about 1.3 million. This is all women right now. So that helps narrow it down. Tractor. Yes, seriously, just tractor, but just women who like tractors, 1.1 million. Okay, so my theory, I mean, if I make this all, it's huge, right? I know primary women buy the wallet case, so any woman that likes tractors is probably a farmer anyways. That's my theory. So then we got farmers with narrow cattle, about 900,000 people. There it is, 900,000 people. What's the last one? Agriculture business, agriculture machinery, combine harvester. Just stuff about farming. So this is what I got so far. You're gonna think that's gonna work. Like seriously, that stuff, it works. Well, we're gonna find out. I'm gonna prove you right, I'm gonna prove you wrong, or you're gonna prove me right, or whatever. We'll find out. So I'm gonna close this, and now, so we click on here, so I can duplicate it, right? Because the ads are inside. So we got our one design now. What we have to do now is we gotta go to that main campaign level. So everything's set up correctly. So all we're gonna do is duplicate now. We're gonna change this to, we are going to change that to add PPE fat, add to. Okay, so this is design, technically it's designed to. So let's click inside here, and then I just click in here, see how they're all selected? Then all I gotta do is click over, don't unselect it. Now you know exactly which ads are in this design to. So then I edit, I'm gonna open that up. And what did I say I was gonna do? And never add this button. If you add this button, it's gonna screw everything up, okay? Never, ever, ever use this button. It says recommend it. Whenever Facebook recommends something, I do the opposite, seriously. So design to. Here. Now I gotta go do my, okay, something like that. Let's get rid of that. So now this is set up. So let's copy this, copy, save on publish post. And yeah, so basically if you click this button, if you say, hey, add a button to me, you're gonna ruin the entire PPE test. It won't work the way you want it to. You're gonna get all your super cheap engagements and everything. Definitely do not do that. It's gonna screw up everything. So, and even on WC, don't add it. It's gonna give you a lot of cheap clicks. It's gonna negatively impact your conversion rates. So you get all these cheap clicks, but your conversions you don't get those conversions. Okay, so let's duplicate again. Get the I just went back to campaign level, see? Here, and let's duplicate again. So we got these 4 designs. Close this. So now I'm gonna click on, oh, we should name this 3. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on 3. So now I got my new 3 here, but then I click over to ads. Now what I'm gonna do, let's edit those ones. Now that I have a save still, it'll all bring in here and add a picture. Actually, you should add the picture first. That's what I learned in the other, when I was doing it. Add the picture first. So we add the picture and then it comes back to normal. I don't know why it is. Save unpublished. Okay, cool. So let's do the last one and let's duplicate. PPE farmer, add 1, 2, 3. So let's see PPE farmer 4, post page engagement, close. Click on the campaign. Then your ads are selected. Click over to ads, but leave them selected. Then edit. Okay, edit. Then plus sign. Then the picture. Then this. Number 4. Do you want one? Blah. This is made up link. It doesn't go anywhere. Review process if I use a new domain name. So I don't want to use that, especially if it's not a real domain name. It will deny it or something. The bots will automatically disapprove. So I got to fix that. So let me copy all that again. Okay, so we fixed that. So now I got to go back. That was number 4. So let's fix here. What I'll do is I'll just pause. Well, no, here, I'll do it because it doesn't matter. See how I said this one? So I got to click on here and make sure that your ads for number 3 are selected, which they're not. So this is what makes it really frustrating. So when you screw up in the process, now I got to go figure out which ads are from campaign 3, which is not the easiest. So I got to edit my columns now. So to edit my columns, type in ad set name. Okay, ad set name. Oh no, we want campaign name, sorry. I'll just type in name. Name will work. Man, look how slow this is. It's seriously slow. Okay, so just give it a second. I need to see, it's like a rush against the browser dying from too much cache or too much loading, because it's this power editor, power manager, whatever you call this thing, just sucks all the memory out of the browser, and it's like you can't be in here for very long. It's gonna kill your stuff. Okay, so now let's go do number 3. So we know campaign name, right? We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, we have 6. We have 6 ad sets. That's why. 1, 2, 3, 4 designs, 6 ad sets. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we can edit those. So the design, what was the design? I don't remember. This is how I roll. Okay, so now I gotta remake this because the domain name is wrong. Okay, so it should change to the correct one. So now let's do the next one. Come on, don't die on me. Uncheck all. Let's do number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cool. Edit that one. I think we are gonna be good here in a second. Just gotta get through this. Let's choose that photo. And we're almost done setting up PP. Number 2. Okay, I just gotta make sure it's selecting the right one. Probably getting really close to the camera. Save the last one. Yeah. So if you don't screw up, edit the last one. Now everything should be okay. So, oh, this one's okay. I did the first one correct. I did the other ones wrong. Okay, so now everything's correct. The ad sets are correct. And we're basically, we got 4 campaigns, okay? 4 campaigns, 6 ad sets. So what is that? I don't even know what that is. What I'm looking at is it says there's 52 changes here. If I review them, 6 times 4, right? 24 plus 4 for campaign plus ads plus 24, 2. Okay, so yeah, 24 plus 4. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so everything's good. We're gonna publish that. Let's see how fast it gets approved. So there's been a lot of people talking about today in the groups and stuff that says that things are taking forever to get approved. So we will see. I'm not sure. But basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back tomorrow, actually the next day, because I started it tonight. So, well, tonight my time, Thailand time, my time. Yeah, so we'll come back tomorrow and we'll just check. We'll check to see what the numbers are on these PPE on a wallet case, because we did it on the watch before, but I wanted to show you like stuff that I'm more confident it's gonna work. I've never tested the watch stuff before, so that was like the first time. But we got pretty close on watch, actually. We got pretty close. I know watch will work. I just don't know exactly what type of designs do well for that. I know on wallet case what stuff will sell. These free designs that I selected have a really good high chance of at least one of them working. So it looks like they were already approved and now they're scheduled, so they're gonna start. What I'll do is I'll come back and we'll check the numbers and we'll see how it is, see what's going on. Okay, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.